As the nation commemorates its 250th anniversary, America's stories are told through the power of art. Across two iconic museums, the Philadelphia Museum of Art and the Pennsylvania Academy of the Fine Arts, a landmark exhibition is unveiled, featuring the never-before-displayed Middleton Family Collection. A nation of artists, 4 centuries of creativity, 3 extraordinary collections, 2 historic venues, 1 memorable experience. Not simply a celebration, a journey through the American imagination, a tapestry of bold ideas, iconic masterpieces, and the dynamic voices that shape our histories. Programs and events sparking curiosity, creativity, and connection, inviting each of us to discover our own story in art.